Hi, welcome to Sage X3 tutorial channel. Today I would like to explain about the chart of account, how to set up chart of account in Sage X3. Chart of account is one of the first thing that you need to set up when you implement Sage X3. Okay, without further ado, I will show you. First, you click on navigation and then you find for the setup. Here under the organization structure, you can find chart of account. So this chart of account, if you have a multi-company in one folder or one Sage installation, you can have one chart of account and then share it across your legal entity, or you also can have multiple chart of account and each company using one set of chart of account. It depends on your business requirement. So here, for example, when we create chart of account, we need to set up the chart code. What is the description? What is the short description? And then what is the column header? Column header here will be used when you when you go into the journal entry screen. When user want to select the accounts, the header will be whatever you type in this column header field. In this case, legal/analytical USA. And then for the legislation, you set up what legislation are you going to use for this chart of account. In this example, they are using USA. For the management, general tracking, we need to tick this one to capture all your standard financial transaction. Analytical tracking, you tick if you want to have the analytical dimension tracked on this chart of account. Control account, we tick to control the account receivable and account payable transaction. Tax management, you tick to capture all the tax transaction. For automatic creation, normally we don't tick. This one is for you to be able to have automatic chart of account creation during transaction, so this is not advisable. And then when you scroll down, here we have format. In this example, we use 10 hash. 10 hash means the chart of account format is only acceptable 10 numeric, so it does not accept alphanumeric. After that, we have miscellaneous account. Miscellaneous account is normally we set up the account that will be used for certain transaction. For example, we have exchange gain and loss. So when we have do a conversion variance or foreign currency revaluation, to which account the unrealized gain or loss will post into. So we set up here. And then for example, when we do a year-end closing, to which chart of account, to which account the retained earning will be posted into. So here we can set up. So there's some miscellaneous account that you can set up here. And then we scroll down again. We can find a reciprocal account. So when you have an intercompany or intersite transaction, the journal entry need an intersite clearing account. So here you set up in the system from which site to which site and using which account. Next is reporting code. Reporting code is used when you use FDE or financial data extraction for your financial reporting. So here we define the account root 10, meaning when our account prefix is 10, it use cash report code. The next one, account root 12, meaning when your account prefix is 12, the account root is AR, and so on. Then how we are going to apply this to our accounts? So here at the bottom you will see there's a run with the thunder button. When you click, and then you can assign, click OK. Of course you can tick simulation to see the result first. It will give you a log reading the simulation happen. Once you are happy with the simulation, you can click OK, and this will automatically populate the report code to each of your chart of account based on the account root prefix you already set up here. It will be used when it will make you easier when you define a FDE report. You just can stated this section is report code cash, another section is report code AR. So you don't need to specify accounts by account. It saves your time when defining the report. Default account, so normally we just put what is your default chart of account we set up in here. And then the next one is the default dimension type. Default dimension type is almost the same like the report code. Here we set up the account root, meaning for the example, when our chart of account with the prefix 4, it will use cost center, employee, market, product, projects, sales region, entities, envelopes as the default dimension. Next one, when our chart of account prefix is 5, it will apply this dimension and so on. And then again, how you apply it to the account, same. They have a run, and here with the thunder button, you just click it and you can simulate it first to see the result. When you're happy, you just run it again without ticking the simulation and click OK. And then we scroll down again. Screen code and compatible account, we just leave it default. So this is the most common parameter and field that we are usually set up when setting up a chart of account for Sage X3. Thank you for the day. We will continue with the next setup for the financial. Goodbye. Thank you.